Hi friends, welcome to Tulsi Creatives. My name is Tulsi Kumar. Guys, today topic is pipeline. What is pipeline? A pipeline is a collection of jobs by using automation tool. Guys, there are two types of pipeline. One is build pipeline, another one is declarative pipeline. What is declarative pipeline? Today topic is declarative pipeline. How to create the pipeline, how to generate the script, how to write the script. These are all topics covered today, guys. What is declarative pipeline? First of all, what is declarative pipeline? A pipeline uses a define the blocks which contain the all process such as build, text, deploy. These are all stages. It's collection of all stages in Jenkins file. See these guys. Today topics. These are all today. What is pipeline? What is declarative pipeline? Why declarative pipeline? How to create pipeline? How to write the pipeline script? How to generate the script? These are all topics covered today, guys. First of all, what is pipeline? A pipeline is a collection of job and chain the job one job to multiple job by using automation tool. What is declarative pipeline? A declarative pipeline adds a powerful set of automation tool. These are all mostly used in job in continuous integrations and continuous delivery. These Jenkins is a CI/CD tools. The mostly used in pipeline script. Write the pipeline script and deploy the application in deploy the application. Then from set of automation tool onto Jenkins supporting use cases span from the simple continuous integration. See this, guys? Continuous integration, comprehensive and continuous delivery. Scripted pipeline as user to the code. Write the Groovy script code and store the source code management. Use the Bitbucket, and then developer once you can push the code in source code management, then automatically generate the WAR files and RK files and deploy the code. This is mostly used of declarative pipeline. This user define the blocks which contains all the process such as build, text, deploy. Its collection of the stages in Jenkins file. Guys, what is Jenkins file? Jenkins file is a text file that store the entire workflow as a code. It can be checked into the source code management on your local system. This is a Jenkins file. Guys, see this. These are all two developers in development and production team. Once developer team, you can push the code and automatically generate the archive file and deploy the file. How is it is work in declarative pipeline? First of all, start the scripting and store the source code management control and write the store the branch repository. Then go to the workflow. Then write the stages in deploy stage and text stage, and so checkout stage. Checkout stage means cloning the Bitbucket, and then clean stage. These are all stages. Write this in Groovy script. Then once write the script and push the Bitbucket and push the git and add and commit and push the source code management and store the source code management. Once push the code and generate the automatically deploy the code. Declarative pipeline, this is simply way is relatively new features that supports the pipeline as a code concept. It makes the pipeline code easier to read and write. This code written in a Jenkins file, which can be checked into the source code control management such as Git. Next topic is why declarative pipeline. Why declarative pipeline? I am developing the small requirement. See this, guys, these are all jobs: job 1, job 2, job 3 and job 4. I want to build text deploy. To this I will allocate the 4 jobs, and deploy I will allocate the 4 jobs. To perform the each process, so job 1 is build, job 2 is text, job 3 is deployment. It can be used, it can be write the stages in Jenkins file, and each stage each stage one job will be allocated, and text stage and clean stage and build stage and deploy the stage and check out the stage. These are all different stages. Write this. I want to execution follow. I want to create number of jobs. I want to execute the pipeline project. Want to execute more one by one. These are all jobs stages in different stages. Write the stages and run the separate jobs. How to run the pipeline script? Get the source code from the Git. Run the different stages and clone these stages. Want to allocate the each job one stage, then and execute the execute the Jenkins Groovy script and deploy the all jobs. All stages will be deploying clean text to build and deploy and check out. These are all total steps will be deployed in single stage. Usage simple usages. You want to build number of project on different slaves. If you want user based requirement, using the requirement you and versions there are some versions of the Git and get versions. It can be used a particular requirement, then build all the CI process in different stages. Each stage run the different nodes. Next, using in how to create the pipeline script. How to create the pipeline script, how to generate the pipeline script. I definitely doing practicals, guys. First of all, requirement, using the requirement, what is node, what is stages, what is steps. These are all topics you covered. Is what is node? A node is a mission that execute the entire workflow. Node means different slaves, guys, don't confuse. Node means these are all total slave missions or node missions. This is a slave missions. Execute the all missions. You can Jenkins environment is capital of the executing the pipeline. Any means execute the pipeline or stages in any available agent. Write the multiple stages and execute the any stage and any slave and any node. This using the particular pipeline stage and agent any and node any. These are all using this step. And what is stages? Stages is a define the different blocks. Write the different blocks, define the conceptually and distinct subnet of task. Write the text stage and clean stage and deploy the stage. These are all blocks of stages. What is steps? Steps is a execute the single task. Write the different start and different stages. Under stages you write the steps. Each steps supply particular task of the execute the particular task of the step. Guys, these are all topics in covered today. I definitely execute in practical also. First of all, open my Jenkins instance. Wait a wait guys, my system is stuck. My Jenkins server, first of all run the my Jenkins server and copy the IP address, public IP address, and paste it here. On my Jenkins port is 8080. Run the Jenkins server. Open the Jenkins dashboard. Yeah, first of all log in my Jenkins. Yeah, successfully log in my Jenkins phase. First of all, how to configure the declarative pipeline. The mostly used required one plugin. I will show me one plugin. Go to manage Jenkins and manage plugins. Go to the your case in available section. I will already installed my case in install. Write the pipeline. Yes, say this. This plugin uses the run the declarative pipeline, create the jobs and deploy the jobs using this pipeline. First of all, install this pipeline, guys. Don't forget this. First of all, remember, guys. First of all, install the pipeline plugin. Then go to Jenkins dashboard and first of all I will show the declarative pipeline. There is two types. In one is scripted pipeline and write the and select the source code management. There are difference. I will show in both. Are I will do it, guys. First of all, write the job name. My SCM job. Select the pipeline and click on OK. Any name your choice, guys. Write the name and see this. These are all small steps and build trigger, advanced project and pipeline. Under the pipeline using in pipeline script and pipeline script from FCM. Remember, guys, how to write the pipeline script, how to generate the pipeline scripts. These topics are completed first of all. Then go to the SCM. First open how to write the pipeline script, how to generate the pipeline script. I try the only simple job. First of all, I write the simple job. Stage in checkout. Then echo and apply, save the job and build the job. Open the console output. Say this, guys, finished successfully and display the show it on checkout stage and go to the logs. Say this, print the message cloning the Bitbucket. Yeah, is simple use cases, guys. I will show it in how to generate the script. Try to simple using the hello world. This is a pipeline script. Agent any run the anywhere and stages under stages and using the stages in hello stage and stages using the steps in hello world. Then write the another stage. Then check out steps step cloning the bit bucket UCK bit bucket stage and steps. Sorry guys, this is a echo on the stage. Write the steps. How to generate the script, guys? Remember remember these topics. Generate the script. You don't worry. You can. I don't know scripting languages, and you don't worry. First of all, you remember, you carefully observe it. Then go to the pipeline syntax and select it the checkout version control. Then so using the source code management and git and copy the repository, go to the Bitbucket. This is my Bitbucket. Using copy the URL and paste it here and select the credential and select it. Then generate the pipeline script. Simple guys, this is using pipeline script and copy here and copy and paste it here. Simple guys, can generate the Groovy script. Says is how to generate the scripting and how to write the scripting. This is a simple way guys. Click on apply, click on save, then build now. See, this checkout stage is running. Guys, go to other topics. How to is a real-time project, is a real-time topic. How to generate the, how to write the scripting and how to push the in Bitbucket, then how to store the source code management using Bitbucket and use the URL and deploy the application. I will do it. Please have to be careful guys. First of all, select the pipeline script. First of all, write the one scripting. Simple Groovy script and Jenkins file. Echo. Guys, this is a real-time project. In companies also this way using this way. Then stages. This is also I will do this another model. Go to directly. I will clone the my project. I will do the I will write the pipeline script in Git. Mm, yes. Ls. Mm, yes, guys, see this. Guys, mostly used the in companies this way. Write the one Jenkins file and store the SCM repository Bitbucket store the repository and then use the URL and deploy the application. How is this work? I will show it. First of all, my job is consumer banking. My project using SCM and uh, SRC. Create one declarative SCM job dot Jenkins editor and write the simple program and deploy the all stages in checkout stage and clean stage and deploy the stage and text stage. These are all stages and write the small Groovy script. Then echo echo this bucket. Then go to another stage. Another stage. Single double quotes are your choice. Another stage using the text stage. Then go to the another stage. Build stage. Then go to another stage, text build and clean stage. So simple way, guys. Mostly this coding not or not at all in confirm. This your choice. Write the any shell scripting and execute run the Tomcat servers also, run the Sonar Cube also, run the Docker and Ansible. More anything you can write the scripting and when you can deploy the application, start the servers. I will show only simple method, guys. Only text and build and clean. The only the stages I will show. The your case is try to try it and definitely you got it. Any doubts? Any clarification? Mm, and write the commit and I will tell the my number and contact me and echo another stage. Text build clean and clone package creations and deploy the stage. Escape, then save the file. What the choose the state. Project and we add the git add mm, then git push. Yes, then successfully push the source code management. Show this and storing or not. I will show it. Once refresh the Bitbucket, go to the consumer banking, my project. See this scm job.jenkins file is created. Then copy this URL. See this, guys, copy this Bitbucket URL and copy it and go to the my project, select the SCM pipeline script from SCM. Remember, guys, see this under pipeline stage you select the pipeline script and SCM, then select the get and copy the URL, then select the Bitbucket credential. Once select it, you can write. Definitely remember, guys, definite most important scripting path. Scripting path is your extension file. You will save the extension file. What is this? Open my Bitbucket. This is my scripting name. Copy this name and paste it here. Yes, guys, then apply, then save the job, then go to build now then execute the stages. See this hello stage, execute the SCM, source code management, and text stage and build stage and clean stage and deploy stage. These are all stages and execute. And your case is mostly used, you will try to uh, how to install the Ansible, how to install the Docker, how to deploy the how to deploy the WAR file and FAR file in Tomcat application. Workcase, right? First of all, um, choose the show it the console output. See this. This is my first project. This stage is in Bitbucket stage. This stage is text stage. This is a build stage. This is a package. And this is a clean stage. This is a deploy stage. Most of all stages are successful, guys. Guys, I think I understand video, and mostly I clarify the all doubts, and mostly I covered the in real time projects also. You can remember this video and go through this video definitely, and please like and share and comment. Don't forget the bell icon, guys. Thank you. Bye.